Hello guys, my name is Abdulrahmam, and today we're on a railroad track. This place is not abandoned, but unfortunately I can't give you guys a location. I will give you guys the history, but I will try to eliminate that location because we don't want anybody to come here, vandalize, steal, or break stuff. All the stuff that I film is things that are precious, to a lot of people, to me, and we don't want nobody else to go there just to have fun, So I want you guys to enjoy this video. Hope you guys get some history on it. And yeah, let's go film. Here we are. Unfortunately, I will not be able to get in the train because it's actually locked. And that's actually a good thing because, about vandalize, we don't want nobody to come here and try, like to break windows or vandalize the place because it's not a good preserve, But we're here. But just look at it. It's just sitting here. I don't know if this is like a old train. It might be, because I don't think they make trains like this anymore. I wonder what year this train is and what year it was active. I'm gonna try to look that up for you guys. It feels like something used to connect here. It probably was the locomotive. Look at that. Wow. I wonder how many passengers this train used to carry. It probably carried a lot. Probably. Unfortunately, we cannot go in there and and see. You know what I like about trains? Is that they go fast. Like, I mean, really fast. And the cool thing is about trains, I like the sound that they make. It's like history, I don't know why I'm saying that, but it feels like it's just the sound they make. It can wake the whole entire neighbor. But wow, I wonder how fast this train used to go. And I do apologize for the wind. It's kind of windy today, so if you guys cannot hear me, I do apologize for the wind. There's a door, but it's locked. Western began operating in 1980 when the state acquired several Milwaukee Road branch line and signed a 15-year agreement with the Wisconsin and Southern Railroad. In August 1992, Western gained control of the Wisconsin and Cumberland Railroad, which has been created in 1985 to replace the Chicago and Northern Railroad operation. The latter has since been abandoned except for a short stop at this looks rusted. Really rusted. Wow. And I know this train used to carry people in there. I think this train used to be bigger, but over time they've been actually like moving it and trying to get it somewhere more, preserved. Because you know how people are. People would just come, people will just come here and try to, vandalize, and this is not okay, It's not. You guys see that? I think so. This is where people used to walk to. Wow. It is. Wait, let me see if I can fit my phone there. Wow. Oh man, let me see. So I'm gonna try to fit my phone in there. I'm not gonna go in. I'm just gonna put my tripod in there and just show you guys. It's not gonna look like inside. It's just like where people, you know, used to walk to the next cargo. Hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so I'm gonna try to put my phone in there. Hope my phone can fit. I don't think you guys can hear me better, but this is where people used to walk. From here, and this right here is a ramp. You guys can see it. I don't know if you guys can see it really well. Wow. And that's how it used to look. Now, it's just sitting here. Look at this. Oh. This thing is coming off. Man, the train just, it's just, you know, under the train looks like I'm in the pipes. What used to be here? Let's see. Huh. Wow. If you guys are interested in trains, can you guys please let me know what type of train this used to be? Like, if you guys, you know more about trains, can you tell me what this train used to be? That will help a lot. This is the other side of the place that we were. Guys, just look at the windows. Back then, they used to have curtains. So when people used to go, they can just open it and then close it. Oh, look at this one. This one has a fire exit. Wow. You know, I wonder what that is. If you guys, I want to say this again, if you guys know about trains, can you guys leave a comment below and just tell me, like, what is, or like, I know this is like for the passengers not to fall, that's why, but that, what is that for? If you guys know about trains, please leave a comment. It says hot. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys like the history about it. I wanna say one more thing. I wanna say, you know, Happy Mother's Day. You know, enjoy. Everybody go out, have fun. You know, and yeah, and I'll see you guys this Tuesday. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and show some love. And